In its first hearing of the BCCI's objection to the Lodha Committee recommendations, the Supreme Court has almost made it clear now that they would want the Indian board to implement all the recommendations in toto. This is what the Supreme Court told the Indian board today. They've said you have done nothing to develop the game. A scathing attack really on the Indian board coming from the top court. They've also gone on to say you have created a mutually beneficial society, alluding to the fact that the funds in the BCCI are not spread evenly amongst all its associations. They've also told the Indian board, don't say that the Lodha recommendations cannot be implemented. Again, a veiled attack at the BCCI and almost pointing at the fact that they want all the recommendations to be implemented in toto. The Supreme Court has told the BCCI also that 11 of the 29 state associations are begging for money, and that is not a good thing. They've also said, how can neglected states develop if you don't give them the money? Remember, states like Bihar have not got any money for a long time now. The BCCI, meanwhile, has responded saying that some associations are founding members and they cannot be removed. This, of course, is in context of the Lodha Committee recommendation of one state, one voting right.
Well, in a line, the thrust of the Supreme Court statements to the BCCI was that there has to be a sense of distributive justice. Why is it that some states like Goa are getting 60 crores year after year, but a state like Bihar hasn't got a penny in 6 years? And the BCCI also tried to put forth its point of view by saying that there are different tiers of membership, whether it's affiliate, associate or full-time membership, and accordingly, accounts need to be submitted by the states before the money can be distributed. But at that time, the Chief Justice coming down heavily on the BCCI, also saying you should have been promoting the game, but instead it seems rather unfortunate that you haven't managed to do that, and it seems like it's a mutually beneficial society. Scathing criticism coming in there, as the BCCI lawyer said he will need more time to argue and put forth his points of view on why he's opposed to the recommendations of the Lodha Committee report. Now, the next date of hearing is Friday in the afternoon. The petition will be taken up. At the same time, a special leave petition was also filed by the Chennai Super Kings, who have been under suspension for now. The case has been clubbed with this main petition, that also likely to be taken up soon. Back to you.